Hi, my name's Jerry. I am showing off the Mosquito Sniper System. I've seen other videos about it on YouTube, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I'll be using a Husqvarna 125 standard handheld leaf blower, and I ordered a combo kit which came with the 2-gallon spray tank. Tank, hose clamp. Actually, it seems to be already mostly assembled. Awesome. Business card. This clamp is way too big, so I'll give it a head start on this. Actually, there's plenty of adjustment there. So there's a groove on the inside of their bracket. They'll go to the end of the tubing. Actually, that's about it. I may do one spout over this to clean up a little bit, but maybe not. Alright, well, that was a lot easier than I was expecting. I'll go add my insecticide. I'll be using a Bifin XTS with an IGR. It works the same for whatever you want to spray out of it. But see you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. I've got about 2 gallons of the solution mix. I've got safety glasses and a N95 mask, which I have a full respirator, but it's coronavirus season and not happening. Alright, it's ready to go. I'll fire it up, meet you in the grass. I've done a bit of the yard so far. It's awesome. It's a little bit of an ergonomic thing, a little whatever, carrying the tank around and then controlling the torque from the blower. So I kind of move it about a 6 foot distance at a time. So I'll set the tank down and then I'll put the blower on full throttle, and then I'll turn the sprayer on and do what I can and then move again. But so far, it seems to be looking great. Yeah, I think it's a good choice. If you're considering it, pick one up. They're only, what, 50 bucks, give or take, and can't beat it. Especially if you have to go out and buy a $700-ish backpack mister. So, alright, I got some more work to do, so I'll get back to it. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If not, see you around. Hey, I changed clothes. We're actually a few weeks into the future compared to when the video you just saw was filmed. I had released a video of all I did the very first day, and I commented that there were some workflow issues that made it a little hard to spray the higher angles with just your wrist controlling the torque of the blower. The owner of the company, MSS, reached out to me and gave me a big tip. Rest a leaf blower on your thigh, and you can then just use your leg to change the angle of the blower. So I guess there's a video about that, which I forgot to watch. If I'd seen that, I'd probably save myself a little headache. But thank him very much for reaching out to me and giving me the tip. So far it's been awesome. Like I said, I filmed a video a few weeks ago, so this is actually the second spray application. Doing it mainly for this video. There are a couple little bugs playing around from my neighbor's properties. But I spent this past weekend on my deck, overnight in fact, from about 4 p.m. until 2 p.m. the next day, with a nap in between, for a ham radio thing, and it was bug-free. You know, mosquitoes, there's like 2 flies when I had some burgers. So it's awesome. So if you're thinking about this, definitely pick it up. The cost is negligible. It's almost nothing when you compare it to buying one of the big name backpack sprayer combos systems. If you already have a leaf blower, go ahead and pick this up. If you don't have a leaf blower already, go get one. And the Mosquito Sniper System. The price comparison, there's nothing. It's so small. So, yep, there it is. Highly recommended. Give it a try.